In this video, you will learn how to solve different math problems to prepare for the ASVAB or CFAT exam. Alright, let's solve some practice problems here. Given that x equals 0.5 and y equals 4, what is the value of 4x squared times 2y plus 2? Now to solve this problem, we already given the values for x and y. We just have to plug in all the values to the given expression or equation. So that would be 4x squared times 2y plus 2, and then we plug in the values of x and y. So that would be 4 times 0.5 squared times 2 times 4 plus 2, and then 0.5 squared is just equal to 0.25, and then this is 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 2. Then we have 4 times 0.25 times 10, and 4 times 0.25 times 10 is just equal to 10. So our answer here is this one. Okay, let's solve another problem. Two parallel lines are intersected by a third line, which is perpendicular to the first parallel line. The value of another angle made by the intersecting lines is. Alright. So let's draw two parallel lines so we can clearly be sure the measure of the angles formed. Let's say these are the two parallel lines here, and then these lines are intersected by a third line which is perpendicular to the first parallel line. Let's say that is our third line that is perpendicular to the first parallel line. So if the first line is intersected and forms a 90 degrees, if this is 90 degrees, then that means that all other angles formed from the intersected line are also equal to 90 degrees. So the value of another angle made by the intersecting lines is 90 degrees. So this is our answer here. Right, let's solve another one. All right. 44 is 80% of what number? So we don't know the number. So we can let x be the unknown number. It says here we can write this mathematical sentence into a mathematical equation. So it says 44 is means equals 80% of what number? So we let our number as x, so that is 80% of x, and then we convert 80% in decimal. We just have to divide 80% by 100, and this is just equal to 0.8. And this would be 44 equals 0.80 times x. Alright, and then to solve for x, we just have to divide both sides by 0.8. This cancels out. Then we are left with 44 over 0.8, and that is just equal to 55. So 55, 80% of 55 is 44. So this is our answer here. Right, let's solve another one. solve for x given this expression. 3 times x plus 1 equals 5 times x minus 2 plus 7. So the first thing we do is we distribute 3 to x plus 1 and 5 to x minus 2. So that would be 3 times x plus 1 equals 5 times x minus 2 plus 7. And then we distribute 3 to x plus 1. 3 times x is 3x. Then we copy the operator sign plus. Then 3 times 1 is 3 equals 5 times x is 5x. Copy the operator sign minus here. Right. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Then plus 7. Now we can simplify this. 3x plus 3 equals 5x. Negative 10 plus 7. This one is just equal to negative 3. And we can group like terms. We subtract 3 from here. And then we are left with 3x equals 5x. Negative 3 minus 3 is just equal to negative 6. And then we subtract negative 5 and negative 5x from both sides. This cancels out. Then 3x minus 5x is negative 2x equals negative 6. Okay, then we have negative 2x equals negative 6. We divide both sides by negative 2. Then x is just equal to 3. Negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3. So the answer is this one. Alright, how about this problem here? If y equals 3ab plus 2b cubed, what is y when a equals 1 and b equals 2? So we're given here an equation or an expression and also the values of a and b. All we have to do is we plug in the values of a and b into the equation and then evaluate to find the value of y. So let's do that. So we have y equals 3ab plus 2b cubed. Then we plug in the values of a and b. Y equals 3 times a, which is 1, and b, which is 2, plus 2 times b cubed. B is 2, so this is just 2 cubed. Then we simplify. 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 times 2 cubed is 8. So y is equal to 6 plus 16. Then this is just equal to 22. So the value of y is 22. And this is our answer here. Alright, let's solve another problem. Alright. Calculate the area of the circle shown in the figure. So we have this figure. We're given the radius, which is equal to 10 centimeters. And then we solve for the area. To solve for the area of the circle, we use the formula area equals pi r squared. So this is just pi times, we plug in the value of the given radius, which is 10. So 10 centimeters squared. So this is just pi. 10 squared is 100. So this is 100 centimeters squared times pi, which is equal to 3.14. So area is equal to 3.14 times 100 square centimeters. So the answer here is equal to 314 square centimeters. This is the answer here.